Thank you for joining me on Love Cooking with Toghfah. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and share my recipes as well as my channel link in regards to cancer awareness. So guys, this is leftover rice that I had left that I thought I'd just record and show you what I'm going to do with it. So nothing goes for waste in my house. I'm basically just going to make some lemon rice. But now the thing is this, if you see a few strands here and there, just know that it is saffron, because this is saffron rice. But in here I'll be adding fresh lemon. Guys, if you have lemon juice in the bottle, that's also fine. Not too much, it is just over or just less than a half a lemon. You can decide how much lemon you'd like to add, if you want to add a lot or a little or even a lottle. And then I'm also adding in some black seeds. I'm not adding a lot of black seeds, just a pinch, so that when I stir it, you'll see the black seeds here and there. And yeah, I'll also be adding in some mixed herbs and crushed chilies or chili flakes. So guys, this is a lemon rice recipe. It's not an official lemon rice recipe. It's just leftover rice that I am now making lemon rice with, or turning it into lemon rice. So I'll add in chili flakes. Not a lot, just about a little bit like that. That's enough, because it's not supposed to be a spicy rice. It's supposed to be sour. So yeah, it's not also very sour. Don't get it twisted. It's just a nice rice to have with your chicken. You can even have it with meat. You can have it with seafood. It goes very nice with seafood. So now I'm just going to mix it all together like that, and I will taste it. If I need to add more lemon, I will do so. But other than that, this is it. Quick sticks. Leftover rice, leftover yellow rice, saffron rice that I had in my case. I added in some crushed chilies, chili flakes in other words. I also added in black seeds, mixed herbs and fresh lemon. So yeah, basically this is it, and I'm going to put this on the table.